Welcome to Digitour Marketing Agency, D.M.A, a leader in digital marketing services. Discover the power of our premium digital marketing solutions tailored to elevate your brand. At D.M.A, we go beyond the ordinary with our partnership with an international programmatic platform. This collaboration adds significant value, ensuring your marketing strategies reach new heights. Join forces with D.M.A and our programmatic platform partner to unlock unparalleled marketing potential. Experience the difference with D.M.A's innovative approach to digital marketing. It's time to take action. Elevate your brand's online presence with D.M.A's services today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out in the digital landscape. Contact us now. Ready to boost your brand's success? Choose D.M.A for unparalleled digital marketing expertise. Visit our social media channels for more insights and updates. LinkedIn-www.com/company/digital-marketing-agency-DMA/. Facebook, www.facebook.com/Instagram.com Digitour Marketings, YouTube, www.youtube.com/DigitourDMA, Twitter.com/DigitourDMA. Connect with us on WhatsApp to 2102-702-7131. For more information, visit our website, .dmabalish.com. Reach out via email at info@dmadish.com to start your digital marketing journey with us.